Nice. This is really cool. Morning, everybody. This here is the moment I've been regretting doing all morning long, but we gotta rip the band-aid off. All right, good morning, everybody. We are finally back on the road after a very muddy and eventful morning, cruising through the state park right now. These beautiful big old redwoods right here. One thing I do need to mention right now is that, actually I'm rolling up these windows for better audio quality inside the car. These roads are wet and I don't really want to play around with that too much. You know, like I don't know if these tires can really handle the wet. They're new to me and I'm just gonna take it pretty mellow right now and just enjoy this beautiful scenic drive. So my goal for today is actually gonna be pretty simple. I'm going to go right on over to the coast, which we're pretty close to. Gonna go to a town called Bolinas, which I've heard good things about. Hopefully enjoy the ocean, go for a quick hike or something like that. See if we can find anywhere cool to park the car, because I know it's just a beautiful area out here. Love the good old sound of VTEC in the morning. Chilling out right now, up on the mountaintop. Check this out. Blackberries, free. We'll take them. Oh, and the car loves the cooler weather now. It felt so sluggish, or maybe it's just me out in the hot inland area, but now that we are in the cooler area, the car feels alive once again. Patrol right there. Tough digs. Let's go another way now. I love E30s. The big story that no one knows about me probably is the E30 was the dream car for the past few years. When I didn't have anywhere to park a car, that was always kind of it. And I eventually just steered away from them because the market kept on getting so inflated to the point that I was like, I don't know if I should be spending this kind of money on an old car. So maybe one day, but for now we're repping Honda because Honda rips. So the S2000 is a ton of fun for a road trip. But I'll tell you what, I wish I had a board or something right now. And there ain't no way that I could put a board in or on the S2000. But, you know, if this whole YouTube thing catches stride, maybe I do a like wagon road trip or something down the road. Then get out there and shred it up on the way. So I'm on a walk right now. And I must say that this community is pretty dang cool. It's a beautiful area here in Bolinas. The people are interesting. Everyone here kind of looks like a scruffy fisherman, which is kind of a sweet look. And check out how cool all these houses are. They're all just built into the hillside. It's areas like this that really make me love traveling and going out there and seeing the world. I'm from inland California. I don't get any of this. I don't get the foggy mornings. I don't get the surfers out on the beach. The lifestyle I live, despite being a few miles inland, not few hundred miles inland, is so different than this. I was just chilling right here on this bench, writing a thank you note, thank you post to all of you for making it to 4,000 subscribers. It's really wild for me right now to be at this rate. Like, I didn't expect any of this. I really didn't. I would have been happy right now just having my core 20 people that I did just a few weeks ago. And yeah, there's no other way to put it into words aside from I'm just grateful for all y'all. And thanks for following along. Let's get back in that dang car. We've been moseying around for a while. We are on our way up the hill right now. Actually making my way up to a library because I gotta get some work done, and that's a great spot to do it. This road is plenty bumpy, but should be fun nonetheless. I wish we had a bit more of a clearer day, but this will do. It's fun and moody. Wow, that was awesome. That corner is crazy. I was trying not to turn too hard because my tires still rub, and they did, even on an uphill. Which is news to me. You'll see the ground here is wet once again. That's just what happens. Oh my gosh, these bumps are terrible. Oh, that is something worth slowing down for if there's gonna be bumps like that. I was like jumping out of this seat there for a second. Wow. Wow, these forests are crazy. Really trying to be respectful of the fact that I've got some new slick tires on the car. There's plenty of water on the ground. That's not gonna hold us back from having some fun here. Nice. This is really cool. Wow, we're getting up in elevation real quick. You can tell it's the change of the color of the dirt on the side of the road and the vegetation as well. Getting a bit drier as we get above sea level, but still in the fog layer. Wow, the road's a lot better condition out here, and we got blue skies already. Just like that, we have cleared out of the coastal fog layer, and this guy is outside his car. A terrible corner, man. That is a bad spot to sit. I'd be kind of worried if I were that fella sitting right there past the apex of the corner. Wow, yeah, we really had a change of scenery. Are you serious? Are we on the same drive? Am I losing my marbles? Wow, tight corner right around that tree. That's absurd. This new dry road's giving me a lot more confidence now. What a beautiful day, man. Whoa. Now that is a corner. And that's some rub. Stray stuff. That's how when you go road tripping and everything you own is pretty much on top of you. I'd say that's one of the harder things about this trip is figuring out how to manage all of my stuff. I mean, it's everywhere at this point. I packed the back to the brim. Driver's seat or passenger seat has stuff on it now. We are full. This is a full car. Blown away at this road. This backside, I was not expecting to be this good. Yet it delivers. All I always trying to keep a very far lookout on the roads, very far down, make sure that there's no pedestrians really in dangerous spots or anything like that. I know there's a lot of hikers out here, so just keep an eye out on the pullouts is kind of what I'm doing. It's all about having fun, but at the same time, trying to be safe, respectful to those around you, as I tend to say. Wow. What a gorgeous road. What a great way to spend the day. I'm kind of speechless. I want to get better at talking while driving, but at the same time, I'm just so in the zone right now. The new Federal tires are just absolutely warmed up, and look at that view out there. What a treat. What a treat. Pedestrian crossing coming up into town right here. That is something else, and that's a cool car. Drive like that'll make you have to go to the bathroom. Literally just made a sandwich on top of the S2000. A cool note, this guy right here just gave me a big compliment on the car. He says, that thing 20 years old? He said, still looks pretty sweet, man. So thank you. Although I will say he had an interesting parking job, so I question his judgment. If any of you are out on a road trip and need a spot to use Wi-Fi and chill out for a bit and don't want to pay for a cup of coffee at a coffee shop, go to a library. They're awesome, they're calm, and they're free. Do y'all remember how I made the worst fresh rolls ever last night? Well, I decided not to revisit that again, and I've got a solution. Surefire, no failure. Guys, get the $5 worth of your ribs. Currently on my way back up to the campsite area. Gonna try somewhere new tonight, and this lady in front of me is making me almost bog out up this hill. Out in the trees again, almost to the spot. Let's see if there's any open space for us.
Just a signature on that one.
Last time on camping, you guys asked for very candid stuff, such as roadblocks. Let me show you. Look at how crazy this tent looks right now. Look at how much mud I got from last night on here, and no way to clean it off right now. I have no straps for my rainfly, so I'm using these stakes to hold down each and every corner. As far as deals go, you really can't beat this. The $5 cup of ribs. Like, come on. I ain't eating fresh rolls tonight, I'm eating ribs. Just looking so good right now. I'm fired up with this car, guys. You'll be staying on the street tonight, so for now, bye, buddy. Big old banana slug in the trail. He's gonna get himself squashed right there. He wants to go this way, so let's bring him to where he wants to go and let him be. Currently winding down the evening, winding down a long day on a little hike because, well, it's not dark yet and I'm a little bit restless from sitting all day. I've said it time and time again, but if you've made it this far, really appreciate y'all. Y'all kick butt, you're the realest, and appreciate you more than you know, actually. So, thank you. What are you doing, pal? Don't litter it. No. Are you serious? Trying to hold the rainfly down right now with these rocks. See if this works. Well, the weather's turned out kind of funny, so I'm packing it up for the night. Thanks for stopping by today, everybody. Hope y'all keep it mellow. And hopefully tomorrow keeps on getting smoother and smoother. Overall, today's been a really good day. Enjoy the driving, enjoy the scenery, the weather, all that. Tomorrow, got another kind of interesting day, a little bit less driving, but should still be fun. So anyways, keep it mellow, folks. Catch you around.